How to get rid of gasoline smell filling up ATVs, generators, and boat motors is a frequent camping task. Additionally, it may be difficult to remove the odor from your hands and clothing. Researchers have discovered that the strong smell of gas can often trigger feelings of nostalgia, from memories of helping mom mow the lawn to the anticipation of a summer road trip while waiting at the pump. So let's learn how to get rid of gasoline smell. You can use anti-grease, mechanics, hand soap to get rid of the gasoline smell from your hands. If the gas has gone under your nails and you are unable to get the smell out, this kind of soap can help. When you wash your hands with the anti-grease hand soap like you normally would, the odor of gasoline should start to fade. This hand cleanser for mechanics comes in a variety of variations. One well-liked alternative is Grip Clean, which uses dirt, bentonite clay, as an abrasive and absorbent. It's not a terrible idea to keep mechanics soap on hand if you'll be handling gas frequently. You can also use cornstarch or baking soda to get rid of the odor of gasoline off your hands. You should rub your hands with one of these before washing them with soap and water. The cornstarch or baking soda will aid in absorbing the gasoline and removing the odor. You can use baby wipes or hand sanitizer to get the gasoline odor off your hands if you have access to them. And possibly, if you have a newborn, there are likely to be baby wipes available. If you use wipes or hand sanitizer to clean your hands, the odor should start to fade. After using baby wipes, you might need to wash your hands with soap and water to ensure that the smell is totally gone. Try using vinegar or lemon juice if you don't have baby wipes or hand sanitizer. Apply some vinegar or lemon juice to a paper towel, then wipe it over your hands. To remove the vinegar or lemon juice, wash your hands with soap and water afterward. Avoid spending too much time in the sun, especially after applying lemon juice to your hands. If you do this while also exposing your hands to lemon or lime juice, it may result in sunburn. Try soaking your hands in orange peel water. If you have some free time, you can make this straightforward remedy by briefly boiling orange peels in water. After the water has cooled, soak your hands in it for around 15 minutes. Your hands will no longer smell like gasoline, thanks to the citrus oils in the orange peel water, which also leaves them feeling soft and smelling wonderful. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.